What's up, guys? This your boy Mark. You here with Team Profit Over Wages. We really getting paid, not going through the phases. And today is part two of this training that I sent to my idecide presentation capture page. I want to show you the results that I got. I want to show you exactly what to do next once you get the traffic sent to your lead generation page. I call it the capture page, same thing. But as you can see here, let's move this up. Let's see. As you can see here, guys, it was delivered within 30 hours. Um, that's why I like this guy, man. He gets straight to it. He do what he needs to do to make sure that you are satisfied. Now, you can see the results with every buyer that you go with, that you decide to buy your clicks from. He gave me an extra five. I got 80 clicks. I bought 75. And out of those 80 clicks, guys, let me show you exactly what I got. I got 21 leads out of that 80, which is not bad at all. 21 leads, guys, 21. So that means I got 21 quality leads because they put their name, they put their phone number, they put their email, and I'm able to connect with them. And let me show you exactly how I'm able to connect with them. And this is what you get with the I decide presentation. As you can see, it lets you know when people start watching the presentation, once they finish it. Such and such has just now started watching your presentation. Such and such just now finished it. They want to become a customer. They want to join Ibuumerang. This is why I like this system. It keeps you updated for each lead that you get that puts their name, phone number, email into that capture page. That's a great way for you to see who's really interested. It separates them for you. You don't have to worry about who wants to be a TSA, who wants to be a customer. It does it for you. And another great thing is you can follow up with them. So out of those 21 people that went through that presentation, the next step for me to do is to follow up, which is, hey, did you review all of the information that I sent you? If they say yes, the next thing is, what did you like best about the opportunity, or what did you like best about the presentation? If they say no, I can simply resend a link and they can have it there to go and check it out whenever they want to. Um, have to keep in mind that people are human. They might have kids, they might have other things going on in life. A simple, small little text or email or follow up could help them remember, like, hey, I was watching a great opportunity, I want to finish it. Or, you know, something that small could potentially give you a new customer or a new TSA member that you can help um, bring into your business. So that's the next step you want to do, is follow up. That's with any business. So this was a test. I did it live for you guys, sending people directly to my idecide presentation capture page. Now, there are different ways and methods that I'm gonna be showing you how to exactly do this with the follow up. So with the I decide presentation, all you can do is basically send out a text or copy their emails and put them in a email autoresponder, which I'll be talking about in another video. I'm gonna show you guys how to build a funnel. I'm gonna show you how to send traffic to that funnel where it's connected to an automatic email responder where it can send them different emails every day, training on how they can do everything and set everything up. So stay tuned for that. This was just part two of this traffic that I sent, the results that I got. It was a good run. 21 out of 80 is not bad at all, because you have to remember, in this business, everybody will not say yes. And if they decided to go ahead and put their name, phone number, email in there, those are quality leads. You just don't want to send them directly to a opportunity. You always want to send them through a capture page, guys. You always, no matter what the business is. And I'm gonna show you exactly um, how, if you want to do this, you can use this website Udemy for any business. It don't have to just be iBoomerang, but that's the company that I'm promoting and that I am actually a part of, that I want to share with other people. So this is what I use. Now, you can go over here to add text. It's different ways you can send your links out. You can either add a swipe, which is an email that they will send out to their list. So I could just say, like, the subject could be want to travel more for less. Then I can just say check out. Sorry guys, I just be typing so fast. And you can add a link here, whatever your link is, put it in here, and boom, the link is in there. Or you could simply, if you don't want to do an email swipe, you could just send a link, send the traffic directly to the link, like I did. It's all up to you. So those are the two ways you can send a link. You can either send an email swipe or you can send a link. Now, if you want this particular traffic source, I will put the link below. You can go ahead and check that link out. It will be below in the description of this video. This is a great traffic source to use. I showed you guys in the previous video the seller that I buy from, that I get my traffic from. He is amazing. He's fast. The prices are fair, and he gives you some good quality leads, and he go overboard with it. So that's basically it, guys. That is the part two. That was just the results that I got, and I'm satisfied. And now all we have to do is follow up. We'll do that next in the next video. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to follow up with them and everything. So if you like this content that I gave y'all, make sure y'all like and subscribe. I will be coming out with more videos, how-to videos when it comes to this online marketing. And make sure y'all hit that bell so y'all be first to know when I upload a video. Other than that, I'm out.